Hey guys, welcome to my room. So today we're just going to do a less formal video. I wanted to share with you my beauty room. It's not really a beauty room. I mean, I have all of my makeup stuff set up in my bedroom. So I'm going to share my bedroom and like how I have everything set up with you. I think I saw Wayne Goss say things that he didn't want to see videos of in 2018, and one of them was like room tours or makeup collections or something. So I'm sorry, but you know what? I move a lot and I think it's helpful to watch these videos to get ideas on organization and, you know, decor and everything. So I'm gonna film this because I've moved again and had to reorganize again, and I just want to share that. So anyway, this is gonna be my last video before I go on a YouTube break. For those of you who don't know, I'm in grad school. This is actually my last semester, assuming I pass my comprehensive exams. And basically it's a culmination of, you know, like 5 years of study that we're going to be tested on in a couple of weeks, and I really need to focus on preparing for those exams. So this is going to be my last video for at least probably 3 weeks, maybe longer. We'll see. My last exam is actually April 2nd, 3rd, the day after Easter, whatever day that is. So anyway, let's just go ahead and do the tour. Okay, we're gonna start at the outside because I want to show you these little door signs that we got from the Grand Californian, which is the hotel that is attached to California Adventure at Disneyland. And this is the housekeeping please, and then the privacy please sign. We just loved these, and my husband asked the housekeeping if we could keep them, and they said sure, and then gave us a couple of extra ones. So we just really like these for Disney decor because, you know, we love Disney. Obviously, you know, there is Pooh. So this is my bed. It's actually made. This doesn't happen very often. So congratulations, you get to see my bed when it's actually in the made position. And then over here is just, I have some blackout curtains because I can't sleep with like any light at all. And I got these on Amazon. They're like 25 bucks or something. And then this table is what I use for YouTube videos. I put stuff in front of me on this table, and it's not really big enough. It's not very good for filming get ready with me's or, you know, like tutorial type things. So I got to figure something else out if I want to do more of that. And then this tripod that I have is also from Amazon. I think that was around 20 or 25 bucks a few years ago. And then I've got my bathrobes up here. This is my closet, and it's a mess, so I'm not going to open that up and show you everything. And then here I have like my background pictures. These are from, I got them all on Amazon, but they're all Thomas Kinkades of different Disney scenes. There's Tangled, and we have Fantasia. And what's cool about some of these pictures is you're going to have like hidden little things. You got Tinkerbell here. There is Simba. There are several hidden pictures in this one, but I can't remember where all of them are right now. Oh, you've got the Blue Fairy. Yeah, so these pictures are just so, I'll just stand here and like stare at my pictures. This one's a Little Mermaid. You've got like a hidden Mickey here. Let's see. What other hidden pictures? You can't really see them, but there's Cinderella right there. I think the other Disney princesses, I think this is Snow White, but it's, yeah, it looks like Snow White. And then I think there's another princess. Oh, I think this might be Belle. It's kind of hard to tell. It's harder to tell on the canvas prints than the like originals. But yeah, these all have some hidden pictures, which is really fun to, you know, search around and see what you can find. And over here, well, this is my little corner for Oliver at night. Like, I keep my door closed and Oliver sleeps in here. So sometimes he sleeps on the bed. You know, he has a little stairs because he's got short little legs and he can't jump up anymore. He's getting older. And then his crate is here. The door is shut, so he's not like squished or anything. He actually pulls that blanket out of his crate and then like sleeps in front of his crate a lot. So I just kind of leave it there. And then this is the beginning of my makeup stuff. So these are new palettes, most used palettes that I'm trying to use more, I guess. And then I've got in here, I actually have my miniature perfume, same as I did before. This one is from Egypt, my little Korean wedding dolls that my husband got me. Next shelf here, I have some palettes that I really love. My Besame Snow White, my Alice in Wonderland from Urban Decay, and then my Metal Matte from Kat Von D. And then I got my Marc Jacobs bronzer, Hourglass palette, bunch of like face palettes in here. And then the bottom here is like, this is all of my drugstore makeup. I mean, I have a few things that I keep in my main vanity, but for the most part, all my drugstore makeup is in these drawers. And, you know, if you guys want, I can do a full collection video, but that's not what we're doing today. And then I have this. Is this empty? This is empty. I need to figure out something to do with that, I guess. And then this makeup case is empty. I just use it for packing when I move, because I move all the time. Oh, and I forgot to mention these pictures that I have above the little shelf unit. These are actually postcards that that they sent me when I got the Disney credit card, and I just framed them with like cheap frames from Michaels, because Michaels does sales on their frames all the time, so I think they were about $5 a piece or something for the frames. And then up here above my vanity, I have that picture, and then our wedding picture. I love this picture. And actually, this is how my husband proposed to me. So, I think that's really cool. It just says Mary Sung-young. And then on the back, Oriba. That says Oliver. And then it had my, that's my Korean phone number, because we met in Korea, and that was my phone number at the time. So anyway, and then this is my wedding bouquet. My mom saved it for me, because, you know, we went to Hawaii like the next day. So she saved that and dried it for me. And then this vase is from my great-grandmother. It might be even older than that. I'm not sure, but I know it came from her house when she passed away. So that's really neat. And then here on top of my vanity, I have my little like Walmart mirror. And then I have, this is also from my great-grandmother. May have been around longer than that. This is a little Scotty that I put my Marc Jacobs lip glosses in. And then I have Q-tips here, my Snow White mirror. This little thing is great. I got it on Amazon. It holds my hair back when I'm doing my makeup, so I don't get makeup all up in my hair. And then I have this organized by, this is like eye stuff, so I have some shadow sticks and then eyeliners. And then here I have like my lip liner pencils, and then just some like random stuff in here. And then I've got all of my most used brushes, my Essence mascara. Oh, I have an eyeliner in here. That should go in here. Sometimes I put things back in the wrong place, but I try to keep it where things are supposed to go so I can find things easily. And then in here I have lip glosses and liquid lips. That's pretty much it in there. And then I got this case from Amazon. It's acrylic spinning organizer, which is really nice for lipstick, so you can actually, you know, easily find the color that you're looking for. I got Too Faced, Tarte, Bite, Urban Decay, lots of Urban Decay. I've got some Essence and stuff too. And then on the top I put my Stila glitters, my eyeliner glitter things from Urban Decay and Too Faced. And then what are these? Oh, these are like special colors of lipstick from Too Faced that I never use and should probably get rid of. Okay, let's go into the top drawer here. So I have my e.l.f. cleansing cloths. These I just use for swatch removals. I used to use these for removing eye makeup, but my eyes are just too sensitive now. I think it's the fragrance in here. I just can't handle using these on my eyes. It kind of gives me hives. So can't use these on my eyes anymore, but I still use them for removing swatches and stuff. And then I have like mini lipsticks and stuff in here, just kind of what fits. I really go by what fits where. Oh, there's my Buxom. I've been looking for this. This is my White Russian Buxom lip gloss. I have been wanting to use this like 12 times in the last month, and I can never find it. So it's right there. So now I know where it is. And then I have my like cream products from Milk Makeup and Cover FX, and then eye primers. Okay, next is this drawer. I have my Urban Decay single shadows and then some NYX single shadows that I just got. This is Mermaid and Glass Slipper. They're so pretty, you guys. And then this Urban Decay, this new one from Kristen Leanne. I don't remember what it's called. Let's see. SGH. And then I got my dog just came up here. That's weird. This is Bella. Say hi, Bella. She usually doesn't come to my room. She usually like stays downstairs and she's kind of a loner, but Oliver usually is up here and he's not today, which is kind of weird. And then I have this like powder mineral eyeshadow from Caitlin that I got in an Ipsy glam bag ages ago. It's so good. It's lasted me absolutely forever. I absolutely love this. So that is great. And then I have just kind of some random stuff, some Tarte Quench Lip Rescues, a Stila sample of the Kitten Karma, Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Pencil, things like that. Next drawer here, I have it organized. I think it's mostly blushes, bronzers, and highlighters. These are my Anastasia blush trios, which I love, and my Marc Jacobs blush, which I love. Tarte, this is the birthday gift from Sephora last year. Love that one. And then a Tarte like sample of one of their highlighters. And then a couple of Tarte blushes, Laura Geller blush. Let's see. Oh, that's a new Bare Minerals blush, the Gen Nude. I'm not actually crazy about this. Like, the formula feels really nice, but I feel like the lasting power on me isn't that good. And I have this one Lorac and my bronzers, Bare Minerals, highlighter, and bronzer, which I love. And then my Too Faced Papa Don't Peach blush, which is a really great one. Now Oliver's here. He didn't want to miss out on all of the fun. Huh, Ollie? Okay, next we're moving on to the top left. This is just, let's see, foundation and CC creams and concealers and primers. This is one area that I feel like I don't hoard too much in because I can't get through stuff fast enough to like justify having a ton. I mean, I guess I can't really do that with anything, but especially with liquid products like that. This drawer is kind of a combination of things. We have powders, powder foundations, highlighter, brows. This is actually makeup remover that I put into this Brazilian Boom Boom Cream case. My Marc Jacobs Dewdrops, which I should probably get rid of because I don't use them. My Bite Beauty lipstick set from Holiday, really good. My Too Faced foundation that didn't fit in the top drawer. And finally, we have this giant basket of products that I have basically decided I don't care about anymore. A lot of them are barely used. A lot of them are great products. I just, you know, I have so much makeup, so I'm constantly decluttering. And I was thinking I might do a video where I kind of go through each area and like show you the things that I'm getting rid of and talk about that. So it'll be like a different version of a declutter, I guess. And then there are going to be a few things that I'm probably going to rescue out of here and try to like and see if they maintain their spot in my collection or if I let them go ultimately. Oh my gosh, they're cracking me up. Just like sitting right where the sun is. I love it. Don't you guys love dogs? So this is my bathroom. Not very exciting. I'm sorry I didn't really clean it for you. There's my beautiful Dyson hairdryer that my husband got me for Christmas. Love that. This is my Apple Watch, which has not been working for a few months, so I need to take that to the Apple store or something. My beauty blender stuff, hair stuff. I have another set of brushes in here in case I'm like in a hurry and need to do my makeup, you know, quickly before the light is out and everything, because the light in here is much better than in my bedroom if I'm putting my makeup on before the sun is up. So there's that. And then my drawers, I have like my quick and easy type makeup stuff in here. And then my deodorant, makeup remover, toner, all that stuff is in here. And then in here I have like my go-to dry shampoos, hair products, makeup wipes, backup makeup wipes and micellar water and, excuse me, and masks and stuff. And then this last drawer here, it's kind of random. I've got some backup body washes, baby powder, hair wax, sea salt spray, my Brazilian Boom Boom, whatever it's called, Brazilian Crush spray, my Coola face moisturizer, that's a backup. I actually just ran out of that, so I'm going to have to pull that out of the box soon. So lastly, when we come out of the bathroom here, I've got 2 more of these Thomas Kinkade Disney pictures. I've got Sleeping Beauty. This one, I actually just found the Beast in here the other day. Where is he? There he is, right there. So I was really excited about finding that little hidden picture there. And then here is Cinderella. Cinderella is kind of my classic favorite. There's a lot of hidden pictures in this one. You got Pinocchio, and I think where's Snow White is in here somewhere. Oh no, she's on the side. Where is she? There she is. Right there. Snow White. And there's more in here, but I don't remember where all of them are right now, and it's kind of hard looking through my viewfinder to find tiny little things like that. Oh, there's Peter Pan right there. So yeah, anyway, those are my last 2 like big decor pieces, I guess. I could show you by my bed. I have this, I love this picture. This is just a classic like World War II is over picture. And then I have an engagement picture of my husband and I. Oh, and this hemp stuff. I just got this recently. This is the Milk and Honey hand and foot cream. I love this. I use it every night before I go to bed. And that's everything. So, there are the babies again. All puppies enjoying the sun, sunbathing. Hi, Ollie. So I hope you enjoyed this room tour. Thank you guys so much for joining me, and I will see you next time. Bye.